Who is Mamá Pío? Work, secrets, prayer, raised intentions, mysticisms, the taste of love, elixir, potions, a cup of coffee, concoctions, mudras, wisdom, a light of new lace placed in my hands. We will have flowers, creativity. You will live our traditions. You will taste our food, the agave nectar. We will travel together to the past. Step by step, we will go through a tunnel, the lions of Mexico. We will steer your steps toward our traditions, our fruits, our forest, the weeping woman and the headless father. You will visit our cemeteries, herbalists, and the magic of my country, my land.